Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will discuss about data acquisition. Hari ini kita akan membincangkan tentang pencerapan data. Okay, data acquisition in bahasa Malaysia is pencerapan data. Okay, before that, kita tengok dulu jawapan daripada student-student tentang soalan saya. Data acquisition manual versus computerized. Differences, apa differences dia, apa advantages dia. Okay, ni jawapan yang student dah share. Kozik Bali, manual, the process of transaction is manually. Okay. Computerized, the process of transaction is on a system. The computerized is more efficient. Okay, baik. Manual, physical, register, bracket, book. Maksudnya register dalam book ni, aku tulis dalam buku Computerized, use computer with financial software. Financial Financial maksudnya apa? Ada kewangan ke apa? Advantage, faster, more efficient record keeping / ease of setup. Faster betul, more efficient betul. Ease of setup tu subjektif lah. Sebab ada sistem yang a bit complicated. Kalau compare to manual lagi easy lah sebenarnya. Sebab kita ambil kertas je. Okay, tak apa, nanti kita bincangkan. Okay, itu Pika cakap. Okay, next, don't give. Among the main advantages of computerized, there are high speed and mobility of reporting, reliability, no routine work, increase internal control system. Okay, antara kelebihan dia lah, high speed and mobility of reporting. Okay, reliability, no routine work, increase. Maksudnya kita boleh auto lah. Okay, anonymous, difference, speed. Betul, salah satu difference dia adalah speed. Advantage of computerized, high speed, increase accuracy, reliability, no routine work. Okay, sama macam tadi. Bulus Home, the main difference between manual and computerized system is speed. Advantage, faster, more efficient record keeping, cost saving. Okay, faster, more efficient tadi kau dah ada yang dah bagi jawapan yang sama. Cost saving depends juga. Ni pun depends juga sebab sometimes manual lebih cost saving, tapi in long term yes memang lebih cost saving lah. Sebab nak bayar gaji orang tu, ni manual pun is better using computerized lah. Aris, difference, speed, cost, backup. Okay. Advantages, access to real-time financial data. Apa pasal semua financial masuk financial? Ada pasal kewangan ke? Mile, the advantage of data acquisition is even faster. Bukan faster, faster and more efficient. Betul. Even faster and more efficient. Yale Zamri, the advantage a computerized system include faster and more efficient record keeping. Okay, betul. Good. Hafiz Razak, the advantage is more faster and efficient to record keeping. Macam sama ni. Korang copy daripada website yang sama ke apa? The difference between manual is speed. Okay, betul lah tu. The main difference is speed. Advantage, there is no risk of data loss or leak. Okay, boleh diterima. Aziz, difference, time to solve. Solve apa tu? Advantages, improves the efficiency and reliability of process or machinery. Alright, good. Keys, different speed. Advantages, faster and more efficient record keeping. Okay, Natasha Tarhim. The difference between manual and computerized is speed. The advantages is faster and efficient record keeping. Betul. Aina Ashraf. Difference, speed. Advantage, improve the efficiency and reliability of processes or machinery. Ayat sama je. Aiman Halim. The advantages are more efficient and faster. Betul? Kai, computer interface A+. Ada hashtag lagi. Benda. Tak menjawab soalan, Kai. Aiman Halim. The differences. Bukan differences ah. The differences are speed. Okay. Kai second, apa benda kau Kai second ni? Aduh. Computerized to control, process or store. Akil Jackfer. Akil Jackfer kan? Betul ke saya sebut ni? Lobak merah. Boleh buat sup ni, lobak merah. Okay, difference, setup and entry. Advantage, manual. System would typically use one ledger each for receivable, payable sales. Okay, ini semua pasal account ni, kewangan ni. Ini pun sama juga ni. Differences, ni benda yang sama pun. Dua kali dia hantar. Boleh lah. Lepas tu, dia reply ke? Computerized, system can take longer to set up. Accountant, no, dia pasal accountant. Saya bukan cerita pasal accountant. Okay, ni pun sama lah. Manual, the physical register book. Computerized, use computer with financial software. Ni pun sama juga, financial ni. Shana 345 pun masuk 345. Faster, more efficient record keeping. Okay, manual we do it by ourselves, betul? Otherwise, the computerized method is the system do it. Betul? Betul. Arina Farhana. Different speed. Tu je dia. Itu je dia jawab. Yang penting boleh jawab. Typology. Manual system is that system where physical register and account book. Ni pun pasal account. Tak kena-mengena. Computerized system is that system where computers and various accounting software. Ni pun pasal account. The advantage of computerized include faster and more efficient record keeping. Ni pun pasal account. Tak menjawab soalan. Difference, speed, advantage, more efficient, faster. Imah jawab. Once computer collect measurement data of physical condition and sends that data to a computer where it can be processed and stored for future analysis. Yes. Ni tepat lah ni. Betul. Advantage is to set up, more efficient record keeping, faster. Okay, betul. Pizza cheese. Pizza pagi-pagi ada pizza. Manual can either set up yourself. Okay, computerized can take longer to set up. Okay, boleh lah. HZWNNNN. Azwan kot maksud dia. Computerized to control, process or store by means of a computer. Betul? Aiman Zulkifli. Manual accounting. Apa accounting ni asal semua ni mesti kalau korang Google ni dia masuk part accounting. Lepas tu main copy paste ni. Tak baca pun apa benda. Okay. User 906 pun sama juga. Accounting juga. Tak ada kaitan dengan accounting. Kita cerita pasal data acquisition of a computer. Data acquisition provide greater control over an organization process and faster respond to failure that may occur. Ni general sangat. Once, manual logging the of it. Logging the of it on a piece of paper is performing data acquisition on a piece of paper. Betul lah tu. Okay. Most of the student jawab ada berkaitan dengan accounting, tapi kita bukan cerita pasal accounting lah. Subjek ni bukan subjek accounting. Alright. Okay, so tapi tak apa. Good try. So next we go to our lesson lah. Perbincangan kita untuk for today is data acquisition. So topik dia sebenarnya data acquisition and control, tapi control kita pisahkan sebab dia cerita dia panjang sikit. So data acquisition ni maksudnya pencerapan data. Kita ambil data lah. Okay. Kita ambil data dalam sesuatu tempoh yang sama, dalam suatu tempoh yang sekata. Okay. We acquire data in a frequent time rate. Dalam tempoh masa yang sekata. Which means, for example, awak nak ambil data, 5 data for each minute. Maksudnya seminit ambil 5 data. So dalam keadaan macam ni means 5 data tu seminit 60 second bahagi dengan 5 lah. So each 12 second awak ambil data. Each 12 second awak ambil data. Setiap 12 saat awak ambil data. Itu maksud acquire data acquisition. So the most the easiest way to acquire data, cara yang paling mudah sekali untuk acquire data, ambil pen, ambil pensel, ambil kertas. Then ambil timer awak lah, masa awak. And your measurement device. Dan setiap iaitu kita panggil manual lah. Maksudnya kita tulis atas kertas semua data. Contohnya awak nak ambil data temperature setiap 12 second. So setiap 12 second awak akan ambil data temperature tadilah. Okay. Boleh Then kalau computerized macam mana? Computerized means kita create system. Sistem tu yang akan ambil data based on belum. Saya tak share screen lagi. Saya baru baca yang tadi. Saya baca penerangan je tadi. Tak apalah, saya share terus. Okay. Data acquisition yang saya share ni dia adalah penerangan lah. Penerangan perbezaan antara data acquisition and computerized. So computerized saya sambung balik. Computerized means komputer tu yang buat kerja. Itu definition of data acquisition, manual data acquisition and computerized data acquisition. Okay, this one, yang sekarang ni saya tunjuk ni, ini adalah perbezaan antara data acquisition. Tak nampak sana. Stop. Saya share sekali lagi. Okay, beza dia sementara awak nak nampak tu. Dah nampak? Saya share screen ni. Saya bukan share Windows, saya share screen. Okay, beza dia kalau awak guna manual adalah ni dia ada point dekat sini. Number of data point relatively low. Relatively low ni nampak? Dah nampak lah? Hello? Okay, relatively low maksud dia kalau data tu sikit and frequency reading is low. Okay, macam saya cakap tadi, setiap 12 second you take temperature value. Okay, you ambil thermometer, you manually take the temperature value. Okay, however, when a large number of data are taken at frequent rate, maksudnya kat sini ada dua kriteria di mana awak kena gunakan komputer lah, material instrument or komputer. Okay, iaitu bila large number of data. Number of data tu besar. Maksud dia, contoh awak kena ambil 12 second juga sama. Maksudnya setiap 12 saat awak kena ambil data. Setiap 12 saat. So dalam 1 minit ada 5 data lah. Tapi awak kena ambil dalam tempoh 3 jam. 3 jam. So setiap 12 saat awak ambil dalam tempoh 3 jam. So 12 kali 5, seminit 5 data. So kali 60 minit kali 3 jam. So kena ambil secara manual 900 data. So data dia large number lah, tu kira large number lah tu. Data dia besar, penat lah nak tulis kan, walaupun 3 jam je. Okay, itu satu, the first point kenapa kita nak guna computerized. The second point is frequent rate. Frequent rate ni maksudnya dia punya frekuensi ataupun kekerapan dia tinggi. Kekerapan tinggi maksud dia, for example, okay, awak tak perlu ambil selama 3 jam, awak ambil data seminit je. Seminit. Tapi tak nak, saya tak nak data seminit tu, dalam masa seminit tu saya tak nak you ambil data 5 data je. Dalam masa seminit tu saya nak you ambil 60 data. Maksudnya setiap saat you kena ambil. Kalau secara manual you buat macam tu memang tak sempat lah. Each second you nak measure and at the same time you nak tulis. So frekuensi yang tu kita panggil tinggi, walaupun masa dia tak adalah lama pun, seminit je. Tapi sebab kekerapan tinggi, maksudnya kelajuan manual tu tak cukup to cater the speed, the frequency. Okay, boleh. Faham ada 2 point kat situ di mana kita kena guna computerized. So apa kelebihan guna computerized? Yang itulah tu. Kita boleh dapatkan data yang banyak, large number of data and frequent rate. Itu point yang paling penting lah. Of course yang selain daripada tu yang awak, yang student dah jawab untuk dalam TikTok tu, jawapan dan tu most of them boleh lah, you boleh pakai lah, more efficient, low cost, bukan low cost, panggil apa tadi, daripada dari segi cost kan. So itu antaranya lah. Okay, itu antara yang boleh ni. Right, so that's all for data acquisition and control. For data acquisition. So next baru kita akan pergi pada control. Okay, thank you.